150. We're getting close to the end of this chapter. This is the last one before review. And guess what we get to play with this time? The dollar. Check this thing out. It's massive. All right. So if I have a penny, how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. If I have a nickel, how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. How about a dime? How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And a quarter is 25 cents. What about this guy? He is $1. Now, when I write $1, I now do the dollar sign and a 1. $1. Notice these little C's with lines in them, that stands for cents. The S with the lines through it is for a dollar, okay? So, how do you get to $1? So I've got all these coins, but how do I get to $1? Well, $1 is worth 100 pennies. 100 pennies equals $1. All right? And how far are they going to get me into this? Yes. Okay. Now, dimes are worth 10 cents. So if I count by tens with dimes, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's see. Let's get some more dimes. So I have 60. There's 70, 80. What do you think's going to happen? 90. Oh man, good thing I got a big board. 100. Well, when I reach 100 cents, that equals $1. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 cents, which also equals $1. Okay? Why was I counting by tenths? Because I'm using a dime, right? 10 cents is a dime. If I was using nickels, I would count by fives. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, okay? And I could keep going until I get to 100. When you hit 100 in money, it rounds to the next dollar. So it goes to the next dollar. So if I had 100 pennies to put all over my board, which I totally don't, but if I had 100 pennies, it would equal 100 cents, which equals $1. So I would move it from the cents to the dollar. Same with the dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 equals $1. So all 10 dimes is the same value as $1. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm sure we'll be getting into that a lot more, but as soon as you reach 100 cents, it moves to $1. Okay? Now you will be doing more of the coins where they're put together. Let's see, we have nickels, and then we have some pennies, and you're going to tell me how much money do I have there? Well, there's 5, 10, because these are nickels, 15, 20. Now I have pennies, which are 1, so 21 and 22. So in this bunch, I have 22 cents. Okay? So that is your seat work. It's the same thing you've been working on. In 7 and 8, you circle all the coins needed to make 100 cents. 100 cents. So you have dimes and you have nickels. So you're going to be counting by tens for the dimes and fives for the nickels, right? So count to 100 and circle all of those to make 100 cents, which is equal to $1. All right? That is it. Enjoy doing lesson 150. Let me know if you have any questions.